exploring the power and peace of Hatha Yoga. As we navigate the hustle and bustle of everyday life, the ancient practice of Hatha Yoga provides a serene oasis. This time-honored tradition unifies the body and the mind, encouraging inner peace and physical well-being. The term Hatha stems from the Sanskrit words ha, meaning the sun, and the representing the moon. This duality symbolizes the balance that Hatha Yoga brings to our lives, the equilibrium between strength and serenity, effort and ease. This practice of yoga focuses on asana, the physical postures, and pranayama, the breath control. It serves as a robust foundation for all other forms of yoga, helping practitioners delve deeper into their spiritual journey through mindful movement and focused breathing. Hatha Yoga offers a plethora of physical benefits, including improved flexibility, muscle tone, and overall body strength. It's an effective means to alleviate stress, providing a soothing retreat from our fast-paced reality. Mindfulness is essential in Hatha Yoga. As you move through the postures, you learn to observe your body, thoughts, and emotions without judgment, fostering self-acceptance and inner calm. This mindful awareness extends beyond the mat, transforming all aspects of life. Hatha Yoga is accessible to everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Modifications and props enable each individual to experience the postures at their own pace, creating a supportive and inclusive environment. One crucial aspect of Hatha Yoga is its emphasis on the present moment. With each breath and movement, you are encouraged to release past worries and future anxieties, immersing yourself entirely in the here and now. In conclusion, Hatha Yoga is much more than a physical workout. It's a holistic journey towards self-discovery, balance, and tranquility. So step onto the mat, breathe, and embrace the transformative power of Hatha Yoga.